Welcome to Cattle Labs How to series. Today, we'll show you how to automate data analysis using Pandas QueryEngine in LlamaIndex. By connecting structured data frames with powerful language models, this integration allows you to run natural language queries, extract insights, and perform advanced filtering with ease. Whether you're analyzing financial reports, medical records, or sales data, Pandas QueryEngine in LlamaIndex makes data interactions smarter, faster, and AI-driven. This diagram illustrates how data analysis is automated. It starts with the user input, where a query is submitted in natural language or structured form. The system then uses LlamaIndex and Pandas QueryEngine to locate and extract relevant data from a tabular dataset. Once retrieved, the data is interpreted and transformed, leveraging Pandas for manipulation and Mistral LLM for natural language understanding. Finally, the system delivers a generated response in the form of visualizations, text summaries, or computed results, enabling fast, accurate, and context-aware insights. This is the core script responsible for using the Pandas query model for automatically extracting insights from structured data. We begin by importing key libraries like Pandas, Hugging Face, and LlamaIndex. Next, we load our dataset from a CSV file into a DataFrame. A quick look at the DataFrame's head ensures the data is clean and ready to go. Now we initialize the query engine with the required parameters. After initializing the query engine, we'll test it to see if the outputs are accurate. Our first response says to find out the total invoice amount, and yes, the output is correct. Next, we would try to analyze the trend of balance amount, and it generates a graph which proves it understood the assignment. Its use cases include real-time anomaly detection, where it monitors large datasets using AI-driven pattern recognition, for example, identifying fraudulent transactions based on outlier behaviors. It also supports automated trend analysis, generating visual insights like heat maps and charts to track customer purchasing patterns. Additionally, it enables predictive analytics by forecasting outcomes such as stock prices or equipment failures using machine learning models. Finally, it powers AI-driven summarization to convert complex datasets into clear, natural language reports for executives and decision-makers. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Gen AI. Thank you for watching.